Okay, so you can download one of the items here, the hair cream. For example, I'm here. Take the hair cream. So you place in the positions of your places. You can make it bigger size a bit. So here make it 200. Okay, so this is the size. So now you add the colliders to it. So I'm using box colliders, and now I think the size no need to adjust. Okay, so and then okay, our hair cream, we tag it as a open a tag here, so we call it as a selectable. Okay, selectables. Okay, so for this, in your code here, you must have a tag with the selectables. So this is the code selectables here. Okay, must be same with this. And then you open the script, copy this. Okay, open your script here, right click, create, okay, scripting. So mono behavior script, and you write as a object selector star. Oops, sorry, I have forgot to delete. So sorry. Okay, so now we open the code. Okay, so right click, create scripting mono behavior. So with the object selectors here, okay, we copy this code and paste it here. Okay, oops, sorry, just the coding. Copy this code A B here. Okay, so this one we no need because we attach what, then it will be have a what object, so we can directly use game object. Okay, so once we click the button, we can get the items. Okay, and then if the things is selectables, so it will call the name out and it will instantiate to our hand here. Okay, to our hand, then handheld here position. Okay, then after we collect, we will destroy it. So now attach this code to your hair cream here. Okay, so for the hand here, we'll open our players. Okay, this is our player. Okay, this is our player. We open and then we get the hand position. So you put your hair cream. I put it in the right hand. I hold with the right hand. So I put the position of the right hand here. Okay, so now we make it lah. Okay, so then you click the items here. Click the items. Okay, okay, what else? Because this one we haven't put the selectables. Okay, so once we change the tag to selectable, then okay already. Test again. Okay, now it will be in your hand already. See, okay, so you can use this code, okay, to adjust until you feel like the position is you feel comfortable with lah. Oh, okay.